Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward topic: how to cancel your HDFC debit card in 2025. Whether you're switching banks, dealing with a lost card, or just simplifying your finances, this guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, why cancel your debit card? It could be for security reasons, like if it's been compromised, or maybe you're closing an account. Whatever your reason, it's smart to handle this properly to avoid any future issues. In 2025, HDFC Bank has streamlined the process with digital options for convenience. The easiest way is through the HDFC Bank mobile app. Start by downloading or updating the app on your smartphone. Once logged in with your username and password, navigate to the Cards section. Select your debit card from the list, and look for the Cancel or Block option. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. It's that simple and usually takes just a few minutes. If you prefer the web, head to the HDFC Bank website at hdfcbank.com. Log in to your net banking account, go to the debit card's dashboard, and find the cancellation feature. You'll need to verify your identity, so have your details ready. For a more personal touch, you can call HDFC's customer care at their 24/7 helpline, which might be 1-800-123-456 by 2025. Always check the official site for the latest number. A representative will guide you through the steps over the phone and process your request. If you're old school, visit your nearest HDFC branch. Bring along your ID proof, like Aadhaar or PAN card, and the physical card if you have it. The bank staff will assist you in canceling it on the spot. A few important tips. After canceling, cut up the card to prevent misuse. Also, double-check for any pending transactions or fees. Remember, processes might evolve, so verify details on HDFC's official website or app for the most up-to-date information. There you have it. Canceling your HDFC debit card doesn't have to be complicated. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and take care.